Hello friends, in this video I tell you how can you make your Alexa skill using ask-cli, and here you use a command mode for making an uh, Alexa skill. Okay, so this is my blog and you can also find uh, articles about the Alexa skill development. Okay, first of all you need to set up your AWS account, and so after so first of all I tell you you need a node if you want to work in node environment. And so first of all you need to uh, installing in your PC. Okay, after install this one we use Visual Studio Code for making our Alexa skills, so you can prepare it, otherwise your choice how can you want to make an Alexa skill. So after doing all, you need to installing ask-cli. Okay, so you can use this command just like that. Okay, so we use uh, any command directory, just like use a command mode, anything, and git, everything you want. So just like we use this one. So okay, so execute this command and you get like okay, you can see there our ask-cli is installed and added some package here just like that, you can see it. Okay, and this is if you have already ask-cli installed, so you need to update ask-cli, otherwise no problem, you can make. For the latest feature of Alexa skill development, you need to updating ask-cli just like that. Okay, so after doing that, you need to first of all make your AWS account connection with ask. So you need to type in this command just like that, you can see here. Okay, so you need to slice in this command just like that, you can see here. Okay, so you can see here just like that. Okay, we going on. Okay, so this execute this command, then you will be able to set up your account in your AWS account. Okay, and I have already set up, so I cannot do anything here. Now after this you will be able to making an Alexa skill using ask-cli. Now you need to executing your command just like that, you can see, for creating your project. Okay, now after creating this, if you have already if you have used your default AWS account, then you no need to adding any profile. Otherwise, if you give a name just like I give my name here to my profile, so I need to executing the command by using my profile name, so it's your choice, otherwise no problem. Okay, so doing just like that. Okay, give your name of your Alexa skill, so just like that we give a name of just like that, anything name you can type here just like that, any idea just like that. Okay, so I will give the name WordPress. Okay, you can give your Alexa skill name here. Okay, now your WordPress folder automatically created in your uh, root account, just like our root account is. And you can also change this directory if you want to make your access in other directories. Okay, so we just use this one. Okay, now after that I just exit this one because I want to use Visual Studio Code for making my Alexa skill. So after that, open your editor and open this file, because this file is created here just like that. You can see this one. Okay, so these are files just like that. Okay, so now we are on the root directory of our project, and you can see the terminal here. Here you can use base, and also you can use command prompt or PowerShell, just like your choice. Now after that, we are in our root project. Now you need to editing these codes just like that. Okay, you can see here the default template of hello world, just like that. Okay, so and here I also tell you how can you work with node platform, and how can you execute and deploy the projects on node. So you learn also from here, and you can see the dependencies like that. So this is most important things for making an application by using node platform. Here you can see the hello world. You can change it just like that. We change it, this repository name. Okay, so anything you can change just like here. Now after that, you can also see the module. Okay, so here you can make a name of your Alexa skill, invocation name, and you can also customize it just like that. And this one is just like, so here you can make changes for example phrases, and you give the name and sample. So everything you can set up here, and this is the most important, because the source directory. You can also add one or more endpoint for your Alexa skill. So you can, but here I tell you only the, because this is your first. So now after that, I tell you the most important thing is about this one, just like that. You can see here we have a Alexa skill kit installed thing just like that. You can see here, this is most important, because you, when using this one, then you can easily make an Alexa skill, and by using this one, you can easily detect any problems on the command mode on the code editor. So you don't need to see your code on your lambda. Okay, so we just make our project in our next video. So wait for next video, and we just tell everything in our next video. How can you make an Alexa skill, and we are make a fact skill, and you can see there how can we make. So waiting for my next video, and this is the first part of my video. So you need to also visit my Instagram, so where we learn about this, how can we do anything just like that with. Okay, so these extension, and you need to download or install this extension of Alexa skill kit. Okay, thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel, and thank you.